This tutorial shows how to edit a Jasper report using iReport Designer. iReport is a powerful graphical design tool for report designs. From the desktop, click on the iReport icon. This is the iReport Designer screen. To use Jasper Report, we need to set a .pr jar file to our class path. For this, click on Tools, Options. Under Options, click on the tab Class Path. On the right-hand side, click on a jar. Browse to the location of the .pr jar file. We can see that jar file is added as the class path. Select the checkbox as reloadable and click on OK. Now let us open the report we would like to edit. To open a Jasper report, click on Files, Open, browse the report and select. We get the designer window of the iReport. In Jasper reports, report sections are called bands. The highlighted area shows the bands used in this report. The title section appears only once at the beginning of the report. Page header section appears at the beginning of each page in the generated document. Column header section appears at the beginning of each column in the generated document. Detail section is repeated for each line of data supplied by the report's data source. The table in the report is added in the detail band. Column footer section appears at the bottom of each column. Page footer section appears at the bottom of each page. Last page footer section replaces the regular page footer on the last page of the report. Summary section appears only once at the end of the report. The grayed out bands are not used in the report. To add a band to the report, right-click on the band and click on a band. We can delete a band on the report by right-clicking on it and selecting Delete. This expense voucher is a label for page header. Click on an element in the designer or in the report inspector to select it and view its properties. The property sheet lets you view and edit the properties of the currently selected element in the designer. Edit the alignment changes by drag and drop of the elements, or edit from the properties sheet using properties like horizontal alignment, left indent, font styles. To preview the report, switch to the preview mode by clicking the Preview tab at the top of the designer window. As we have not selected any database, no data is retrieved in the table report. You may discover that you need to add more fields or make any changes in the alignment. Click on the Designer tab. For example, let us place these elements in the last page footer horizontally and change their appearances. In the preview mode, you can view the changes made. Now let us add a band to the report and move labels and fields into that band. For example, a summary band. Drag and drop the fields to the summary band. Edit the properties of these from the property sheet. Click to view the preview of the report. The summary band appears at the end of the detailed band, just below the table in the report. To save the changes, click on Files, Savas. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.